Hola amigos, bienvenidos a High Vibes Travel. I'm Mauricio. Hola amigos, welcome to High Vibes Travel. My name is Morris, and in today's video, I'll be doing an ice bath here in Puerto Vallarta. I did this ice bath 2 weeks ago. It was my first time ever, and I panicked when I got into cold water. It was 3 degrees, and you just have to go back to the breath. Be calm. Dog. You just have to. So I went into the water, the cold water, and I panicked. I really thought I would last 10 seconds, but you have to go back to your breath, stay calm, and finally I lasted 5 minutes. The only thing is I had my shoulders exposed. And for me, an ice bath, you have to have all your body parts in the water. So hopefully today I can do that. Again, it's easier said than done. Why do an ice bath? Well, first of all, it's 45 degrees already in Puerto Vallarta in the summer months, and it's refreshing, but also there's a lot of benefits doing the ice bath. But just go check out Wim Hof on YouTube, and you'll see all the health benefits of doing an ice bath. Technically, you should be doing it more often, but we do it once a week here at a lovely couples cafe here in Puerto Vallarta. I'll put their address in the description under the video. It's actually not really a coffee shop. It's more of like a cacao chocolate coffee shop. I had a drink last time. It was absolutely delicious. So stay with me. I'll try to do 5 minutes with everything drenched into water. Amigos, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to share. And let me know if you guys are into ice baths in general. Muchas gracias por ver. Oh yeah, it's 9:25 a.m. and it's 32 degrees, and I'm sweating, I'm melting. It's really hot here in Puerto Vallarta in the summer, and the last couple of days there's been no rain, just pure sun. That's amazing. Great times. Here it is. Ice bath. Cacao drinks, vegan drinks.
Hi!
How you doing?
Good, how are you? Good to see
Yeah,
you.
so I'm sweating. I'm
That's
really
okay.
sorry. It's 30-minute walk. It's totally normal.
Time to get in the
I'm gonna take a shower first, but I'll be there for 2 hours. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, good day.
Here's where the magic happens.
Yes.
Hey, it's like ceviche. Like yesterday, there was a ceviche and aguachili festival in Central. So this is number 1. This is the best one. See you later. Hola, how are you? Good. Just filming a bit here. Yeah, perfect. There's one here. There's 2 ice baths. Nice music. Calming music. Doing good, man?
Doing well,
Good,
man.
nice to see you. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola.
¿qué tal?
Good? Better than last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It takes a lot to keep the hands
that's the full effect. And I have to admit, my hands are pretty numb.
Yeah.
I'm moving them.
It's all about yourself.
Okay. Oh my god, yeah. You have to move 8 minutes. Body's tingling, it's crazy, yeah.
Remember you're a champion.
It feels good. 8 minutes. 8 minutes, really happy about that.
Remember you're a champion. You are. You're a champion. You are. You're a champion. You are.
All right. 8 minutes done, and I'm pretty sure I got my whole body in the water. I immersed myself totally, so I'm really happy about that. But it was tough when I got out. My fingers are a bit still numb. So the whole body part, the rest of the body is fine. It's just my fingers. But they said it's totally normal, so it's gonna be fine. Anyway, enjoy the experience. Gonna do it again soon. It's actually every Sunday, like I mentioned. And guys, thanks for watching this short video of my ice bath. And hope you guys can do it as well. And it's beautiful, sunny today. So have a great day, guys. Buen dia, torriente. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. If you want to do it, you have done it. Muchas gracias, perder.